Hello everyone. Today I want to find the value of x from this equation. To do that, I can get raised both sides of this equation to the power of 1 over 32 times x. It's a inverse mixture of both powers here. I can show you why I do from this way. By get raised to this power, I have this expression 2 to the power of x to the power of 32 times x and x to the power of 32 get raised to the power of 32 times x. And you know from the basic rules from the power, if a to the power of m get raised to the power of n, then it equals to a to the power of m times n. So I can use this rule here for the both sides. Then x to the power of 1 over 32, that from this rule it's just simply multiplication. 32 times x equals to x to the power of 32 times 1 over 32 times x. Now I can simplify powers like this. X cancel with this x and 32 with this 32. Now I have a new expression 2 to the power of 1 over 32 equals to x to the power of 1 over x. And you can see the numbers is in the left side and x, the parameter, all parameters terms are in the right side. So you can use the mathematical ways to solve that expression, but directly use of your all mathematical way it's a bit tricky and it's a bit difficult. So I can use a trick instead of solve it directly. But the main point is that this left side should be in the form exactly like the right side, and that is my way. I can multiply the power, the both 1 and 32, it's the numerator and denominator, times 2. So I can show you here 2 to the power of, I just write the left side and then I can show you how we can reach the right side. 2 to the power of, I just multiply both of them to the times 2 number of 2. 32 times 2. So it equals to 2 to the power of 2 over 64. And you know from this rule of powers here, I can separate the numbers for the power like here, but the inverse correct direction. So you can write it like 2 to the power of 2 times 1 over 64. That equals to, from this rule is 2 to the power of 2 over to the power of 1 over 64. That equals to 4 to the power of 1 over 64. Okay, it still needs more working because this number is not exactly like this number, as we want to be like here in the right side. So we go further with this the same procedure. I can again multiply the power again to times to the number of 2. So that is equals to 4 to the power of 2 over 64 times 2. I just write the result because you know how it works from the last procedure. 2 times 64 is 128. So it like 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 128. That equals to 16 to the power of 128. Again, it needs more working. And I go further with the same procedure. 16 to the power of, again, times 2 and 128 times 2 equals to 16 to the power of 2 over 2 times 128. That is 256. Okay, I can now show you what happened here. 16 to the power of 2, 1 over 256. And you know, 16 to the power of 2 is exactly 256. Again, to the power of 256. And this is exactly the form of the right side. X to the power of 1 over x. That is right side. So you can just conclude that x is simply 256, and this is our result. You know, if everything is changed here, you should take another way or another trick. But for this solution and for this kind of question, you can always maybe use this way. But if you have another way and maybe another solution, I would be happy if you share your solution in my comment in this video. And if you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and use another useful mathematical problems. Thank you for your attention.